Yo, my OpenClaw agent vibe codes like an absolute champ. Super stoked for this video. Been wanting to make this video for a while. I got a lot of requests about making videos for vibe coders, and using your OpenClaw to vibe code is the most fun I've had in a long time. I was chilling by the pool the other day because I got a pool where I live. It's hot here in Arizona. And I was literally talking to Max on my phone, chilling with my girlfriend, building a sales funnel. And it was pretty dang good. It came out really good. So yeah, I can't wait to get into this. I'm going to show you guys the skills I use to vibe code. And this will be a video focused on quick solutions, micro solutions. And I'll go more in depth with like full stack apps and stuff like that in future vibe coding videos. But this will be a cool way to use your OpenClaw agent to vibe code micro solutions really fast. And my goal today is build and vibe code 3 apps in 3 minutes with OpenClaw. Let's get into it. All right, side note, I get ideas and inspiration from the comments. When you guys comment, you get cool shit, right? I make videos based on what you guys want to see. So ask and you shall receive. Mr. App Insomnia 23 says, great video, and please make the vibe coding one. That would be awesome, bro. I got you, bro. Touch on build for web and mobile, please. That would be epic. Okay, we're going to focus on web apps, micro solutions, quick ideas that you have where you can speak them into existence and it goes through ones and zeros and turns into some code and brings your app to life, and it's amazing. I love vibe coding. I have a ton of vibe coding videos in my YouTube channel, and I'm excited to use OpenClaw to vibe code and show you how to do it. So thank you. Let's do it, man. I had a bunch of comments about vibe coding, so we're diving in. All right, fam, this is the exact skill library, the skills I use to make Max a vibe coding legend. There's about 20 skills. I'll be adding more, but it's really solid to start to create micro solutions. So these are all the skills, and actually full stack as well, but this is really, really solid. And this whole list you guys can grab in the description below. It is my agent command kit. There's a ton of stuff from my other videos like prompts for mission control, boosting your memory, all that kind of stuff. And then my skills library, you'll scroll down and you'll just see all these skills and just screenshot it, give it to your agent, say, install all this shit, right? Or build them custom if he doesn't have them. So you can do that right here. And the way we're going to actually build 3 micro apps in under 3 minutes is through instant hosting. So there's no other company out there that I've seen that's doing this where you can just tell your agent, hey, host here immediately, and it'll just do it. There's this company that is actually the sponsor of this video today. So shout out to Here.now. Love this company. I've been using this strategy for quick uploads, quick hosting, like literally every day for something, because you can do it with photo galleries, you can do it with files, you can do it with websites immediately, and you don't even have to have an account. You can literally just say, hey, upload to Here.now. And you can go here and copy the instructions, give it to your agent, then he'll know exactly what to do. But a lot of your agents can just figure it out. And it's powerful. I recommend just making an account though, because then if you don't, your links only last like 24 hours and they go away. If you make a free account, they're permanent. So you can just have as many free permanent sites hosted as you want. Really, really solid. So we're going to leverage this, but let's get into it. Let's make the apps. I have some good ideas that I cooked up, and all these ideas are going to be really solid and valuable for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, Max, it's game time. Let's build some apps. I am making a video right now, and I want to build 3 apps that are valuable to all my subscribers that are OpenClaw or agent builders. And I have a couple ideas. I want to run them past you, and I want them all hosted on Here.now immediately after this, all in one prompt. So we're trying to do this in under 3 minutes. So the first app idea is an idea validator. They can punch in their app idea or any type of idea for business, and it will ask a series of questions and help validate their idea and maybe point them in the right direction if they need to make a tweak or pivot, or validate it if it is a solid idea and off general, basic, deterministic logic. The second idea is, I actually needed this yesterday, so I'm excited to build this. The second idea is like a command prompt for your terminal because I don't know all the command prompts off the top of my head. I need like a search directory in case I want to reset my OpenClaw. Maybe I want to change the API key. Maybe I want to do the doctor command or something, and just have it like really easy, searchable for any user to go into their terminal and copy paste, put it in there, and it'll work. And make sure the commands are legit. They work. They're actually real commands. And the third app idea is an API cost estimator, because I get a lot of comments like, well, what are the API costs? What, that kind of thing. And I want it to make it simple to where you pull the real API costs of the different models. You actually pull the real ones and integrate that in. And people can select like their main agent, their sub agents, and they can put what model, and then the different usage, and then it'll basically give them an estimated price monthly on whatever models they're using, right? So those are the 3 apps I want. Please host them all on Here.now. Send me the links, and I'm excited to see what they look like. All right. Here we go. Let's see what these apps look like. I'll put these in the description too, so you guys can just use them right away. And I think it'll be super helpful. So we have the Idea Validator, the OpenClaw Command Directory, and the AI API Cost Estimator. One-shot prompt, 3 apps. Let's see what happens. Let's check out the first one. All right, Idea Validator. Let's test it out. I'll talk to text, and we'll put an idea in there. Hey, Max, I got an idea. I want to help people set up OpenClaw. A lot of businesses are going to need this. It is like an AI employee, and it's super powerful. I think we can charge anywhere from $10,000 or more if we give them a Mac Mini, fully set up, fully secure, all their tools, everything they need, ready to go. What do you think about that idea? All right. So, okay. What industry? I think it's SaaS software, I guess you could say. It's kind of neat. I guess I was somewhat vague. I wasn't really clear on that, but who needs this? Fucking everyone. What do people currently use to solve this? There's not much that exists, I would say, right now. Would someone choose your solution? Different approach. How will this make money? Paid model. I think there's a lot of willing buyers. Basic version a weekend. No, I want to spend time doing it right, optimizing it for security and everything like that. So give it some time. Have you talked to potential users? Yeah, there's people definitely asking for this. Are you the right person to build this? Yeah, I am. I have some experience, I'd say. Ooh, that's kind of fancy. 65. Promising, but needs work. Okay. Problem, solution, fit, market opportunity. There you go. So there's the first app. Decent. Obviously, you can always edit it and keep prompting it, making it better. This is not AI powered. This is just like deterministic. So if you AI powered it, you had to do research, you can make it way more powerful. All right, let's take a look at the next app. All right, I like this. This is pretty straightforward. Okay, you have a search bar up here. Quick reference. I mean, comment below if you think this would be useful, because I needed this yesterday, and I was like going on like OpenAI trying to get the commands, and I was trying to help someone set this up. Cool. You can click little vibe coding skills. That's cool. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that. Okay. So these are real commands. Solid. Okay. And then it has a little description underneath. Super solid. Cool. I like it. Cool. Actually useful. All right. Let's pull up the third one from Here.now. The AI API Cost Estimator. I feel like this one could be the most valuable. Let's take a look. All right. Nice. All right. So you have your main agent, your sub agent, your heartbeat, because that all uses tokens. So you can select your agent. All right. It has the exact pricing. So that's helpful. You know, if Opus 4, I guess it's all the 4.5, 4.6, all that. I guess that's what that is. GPT. Okay. And then you can select your sub agent. Let's say you use like a mini or something. Oh, brings the price down. Flash seems to be the cheapest. I think this is what I use now. Yeah, it is 10 cents for the heartbeat. That works good for the heartbeat if you're not doing that already. Okay, you can do your conversations and it changes the price. Damn, this is nice. It's like a calculator for API usage, especially if you have like an API key and not OAuth. Yeah. What if current setup, oh, so it gives you ways to optimize it. This is pretty valuable. So, okay, I made this in 3 apps in about 3 minutes. I can definitely go more in depth, make them way better, but right off the bat, 1 prompt, 3 apps, using Here.now, pushing it live. I can give this to you guys immediately. That's pretty powerful. I like it. All right, ladies and gents, hope that was helpful. It's starting to get dark out. I'm going to start winding down and get some food. But one last thing, to get all my skills library, my prompts, everything I'm doing, the tools I'm using, Here.now will be in there. My agent command kit. It looks like this. It might look a little different because I'm going to be updating this funnel, but grab your free agent command kit. I'm stacking this thing every video. I'm adding more to it. You can watch my other videos if you want to check out how to use a lot of this stuff. And I'm trying to grow here. I want to do this full time. I want to keep bringing you value. Please like, comment, subscribe, hype this video. I'm hyped. If you're hyped, let me know if you're hyped by hyping it. How many more times can I fucking say hype? I don't know, but I'm hyped if you can't tell. So super duper stoked. If you need one-on-one help too, that'll be in the description. Love you guys. Peace out. See you in the next one.